Vika. I'm really proud of you. You see this? I'm gonna, Ash, I truly want to say that I truly appreciate you, And starting my journey, I wouldn't have wished it done with anyone else. You are not only a blessing to my life, but a blessing to many others here today. So with that being said, thank you. Nagulat ka ba? Nagulat ka ba?
Oo! Na-speechless ako. Wala akong masabi. Pero proud na proud din ako sa'yo. And sobrang happy ko din na ikaw yung kasama ko ngayon dito.
Grabe naman!